Throughout history, rivers have been the lifeblood of great civilizations, and every river has a story. At Ekta Nagar, where the Statue of Unity rises 182 meters into the sky as the world's tallest statue, another marvel stands proudly before it, an engineering masterpiece that has reshaped landscapes, empowered communities, and transformed millions of lives. This is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, the lifeline of Gujarat. The mighty Narmada, one of India's few west-flowing rivers, travels over 1,300 kilometers before meeting the Arabian Sea. And here, at Ekta Nagar, its waters take on a greater purpose, powering progress, nurturing livelihoods, and carrying the promise of a better future. Here, the river is more than a force of nature. It is a source of life, opportunity, and hope. The story of the Sardar Sarovar Dam began long before the first stone was laid. In 1946, as vast regions of Western India grappled with recurring drought and water scarcity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel envisioned harnessing the waters of the Narmada to secure a better future. His vision was to irrigate parched lands, provide safe drinking water, generate clean, pollution-free electricity, and improve the lives of millions. On 5th April 1961, the foundation stone was laid, marking the beginning of one of independent India's most ambitious river valley projects. What followed was a journey spanning decades marked by engineering challenges, judicial proceedings, interstate disputes, and unwavering determination. Because transforming a vision into reality takes time, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to the future. Today, that dream stands before us. A 163-meter-high concrete gravity dam stretching 1,210 meters across the Narmada, creating a vast reservoir with a capacity of 5,860 million cubic meters. It is a true multi-purpose project, providing drinking water, irrigation, and renewable hydropower. From here begins the Narmada Main Canal, supported by an extensive canal network of nearly 70,000 kilometers, carrying life to regions that once waited endlessly for rain. Its two hydroelectric powerhouses have a combined installed capacity of 1,450 megawatts, supplying renewable energy to Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. But the true strength of this dam cannot be measured in meters, or megawatts, or millions of cubic meters of water. Its true strength is measured in lives. About 11,500 villages and 190 towns receive drinking water from this remarkable project. For countless families in Gujarat's drought-prone regions, it replaced a daily struggle in which women often walked several kilometers to collect water. Approximately 1.8 million hectares of farmland across 81 talukas in 18 districts are irrigated by Narmada waters. Where farming was once possible only during the monsoon, farmers now harvest 2 to 3 crops every year, transforming rural prosperity and strengthening Gujarat's agricultural future. That is why generations know it by one name, the lifeline of Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel envisioned a Gujarat where the waters of the Narmada would reach its farthest corners, bringing irrigation, drinking water, and opportunity to millions. Today, that vision has taken shape through the Sardar Sarovar project, On 17 September 2017, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi dedicated the Sardar Sarovar Dam to the nation, marking the completion of one of India's most significant water resource projects. 30 massive radial gates stand atop the Sardar Sarovar Dam, weighing approximately 450 tons each, yet can be opened and closed with remarkable precision to regulate the flow of water, a testament to the scale and sophistication of the engineering behind the project. From Ekta Nagar begins the Narmada Main Canal, an engineering marvel that at the time of its construction was the world's longest line irrigation canal, carrying the promise of water across Gujarat and into Rajasthan. At Ekta Nagar, where the Statue of Unity watches over the mighty Narmada, India's tallest statue and the lifeline of Gujarat stand side by side, one preserving a legacy, the other carrying it forward every single day.